Hi and welcome to my channel. Today in this video we'll see boAt earphones unboxing video. The package will look like this. It was ordered in Flipkart. Once you open the package, the box backside will look like this, and the front part will look like this. It's a Airdopes 161. It was made in India. If you charge 10 minutes as of charge, it will goes around 180 minutes of playback. Its important features like IWPTM technology, instant response, touch controls, one-touch voice assistant, Type-C interface, IPXS flash, and sweet resistance. It is in black color. Once you open the gadget, the right ear set, left ear set will be given in the gadget. Front side, back side of that box. Once you open that, the left and right ear tops. If you keenly observe the ear tops, see the right hand side of ear tops, and also the Type-C charger box will begin in the Type-C charging, Type-C charging wire. It's a validity product. Its warranty is about 1 year. It will comes in under price of 1000, and you can see the port head. Do what is flawed. As you can see the outer side of the gadget, these are the pictures how it looks like. As you can see the Airdopes index, warranty card, gadget, right hand left hand Airdopes, and also Type C charger is given in that box. The interface of outer side, how it looks like. Total it's a worth product. I will give a rate of out of 5, 4. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. Keep on for more products and updates also.